Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've completed. This journal is a soft cover journal and it measures 8 inches by 5.5. It's got one signature and 92 pages front and back. It's a bird themed journal and I've used various kits, and the main pages are from ARTYmaze, and I think there might be a few from Christie Art Designs and some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. So as you can see, it's a nice chunky one. There's bead dangles on the crocheted trim. There's pom-pom trim on there. We've got a pocket here and this lovely bird image here. There's some of this flower trim there, and we've got a bead dangle in the centre. It's got a nice blue cover. It's cardstock, well, designer cardstock and cardstock sewn onto the back, so it's nice and thick. Let's go inside. So we've got eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and as you can see, it is quite chunky. Excuse me. On the inside cover, I've got a pocket, some lace trim. There is tags and ephemera throughout. Here we've got a corner tuck with some crocheted trim, a doily and a fabric heart. Some more tags and ephemera and a little tag there, and it's from ARTYmaze. Excuse me. Got a doily and a paper bag, some edge trimming here, edge punching, some stenciling, squared paper, the crocheted trim, the lovely kit from ARTYmaze. This one's called Back to Nature, and I've used some of the pockets from the kit as well. I've got tags. It's got a nice blue and birdie theme to it. Kinda very summery. These are little bookmarks that's just stapled, not stapled, paper clipped on, and we have this and this. I love this paper from ARTYmaze. Here we've got a tag and some ephemera and one of Terry Wood's flip out pages, and as you can, well, I don't know if you can see because I'm probably off camera, but there is all that journaling space. And let's see if I can put this back together. Can I do it? Yes, I can. And that goes back in there, that goes in there, and that just goes in there. It's got a nice fabric flower on there, a doily, paper bag, lined paper, more pages from the kit. Got a pocket here, that's from the kit as well. And that all just tucks in there. This is just a little journaling card from the kit, and it opens out, so it's like a double journaling card. Some printable music paper. We've got an envelope here. There's nothing in the envelope, but you can stash things inside there. The pom-pom trim. Here is another pocket from Terry Wood, and it's closed with the paper clip that I made. So you've got these journaling cards and a large tag. I've got a frog in my throat. And that flips up, flips down and opens out so that you can do some hidden journaling. Let's see if I can get this one back together. Yep. And my doggy's just come in to say hello. And now she's gone back out. And that just paper clips on there like that. Doily, paper bag, centre of the signature with a bead dangle. Here we've just got a flip out, and it's also a pocket, and some ephemera. There is a little bit of crocheted trim behind this flower. Some more bead dangles on the crocheted trim, and they've done them all so that they've got blue in them to match the kit. A piece of ephemera, an envelope which has got nothing in it, and I've just put that on there, paper clipped it on, and this little journaling card just slots in there. Here we've got a pocket with some more ephemera. There's plenty of places to journal. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. Another flip up. Oh no, this is one of another Terry Woods flip paper pages. So this all flips out. This was the one that took me forever to learn how to do. And Terry kindly done a step by step and sent it to me via messenger. Let's see if I can put this back. Ta-da! There we go, just like that. So we've got this and that tag, and it all just slots in there. Some trim and a fabric flower. Let's move this again. Here we've got another altered paper clip with I think this is an envelope. Yeah, an envelope from the kit. There's nothing in that. And it just slots in there. A little tag from the kit. Got another pocket, some ephemera and a tag. Pom-pom trim. Paper bag and a doily. This is another flip up with a tag. Some ephemera. This is an envelope which has got a journaling card inside. Journaling card is the same as what's on there. Oops, and another little journaling card. Some crocheted trim and a heart. And in the back pocket we've got a tag, a postcard and another journaling tag. So that is the journal. If anyone's interested, will be the link to my Etsy will be listed below. I will also link ARTYmaze's Etsy, and if you have any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.